welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana back with a new video, and today we are going to be getting into this look right here, and we're also going to be reviewing the new Milani Screen Queen foundation. This foundation basically is like on some over the top, I'm gonna say over the top, but it's like on some protecting your face from digital blue light. It's a digital blue light filter, meaning like it protects you from the light from your phone, from your computer, and all this good stuff. And I'm pretty sure it has protection from the sunlight, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a luminous natural skin finish, buildable light to medium coverage, and it's long wearing. So I like long wearing, I like medium to full coverage, buildable, you know, those are my key words in a foundation. I have the new 35i Ice Fantasy palette. We're gonna get into this palette. Yeah, I also use the Come As You Are palette from Karity. I have two previous Karity videos on my channel. Their palettes are bomb. I want you to check it out, so I will have it in the description box. I will pop them in the cards. I'm drinking my smoothie. Usually I do coffee, but I'm trying to wing away from coffee, you know, drink coffee every now and then. I'm not trying to get addicted. So I have a smoothie recipe, so stay tuned at the end of the video, or maybe before. It might be before this video. So the beginning of the video, I will show you my smoothie recipe, and yeah. It is smoothie time. I like to use my NutriBullet. I had this NutriBullet for years, literally maybe like 7 Christmases ago. This year I decided to start eating a little bit more, not a little bit, as much as I can, eat more healthier. So I started getting back into smoothies, and now I am addicted. This is the cup that you put the fruits in, and this is the little blender thing, the thing that you blend it with. And this is the cup that I use because the smoothie actually fits this cup perfectly, which is amazing. I got this from Starbucks. It has a top with it, but I've never used the top. Okay, so these are all my ingredients. So I start off with, I love to use bananas. I like to make my smoothie thick, so I use 2 bananas instead of 1, because I'm considering this a meal. I'm not eating anything else. I consider this a meal, so I don't eat anything else until like I'm hungry again, of course. So this is basically going to be just my breakfast. So I love to go in with these Goya tropical blends. It says excellent source of vitamin C, gluten-free, good source of fiber. This bag is only 80 calories, which isn't bad. There are 12 grams of sugar, which isn't bad at all. So basically these are the fruits. These are the fruits in the bag. Of course I had one last night. So we're gonna just basically put all of it in here. And I like my freaking smoothie like super, like I like to fill this to the top. So I'm gonna open up another one and just put a little bit more, because this one had more berries. So we're gonna just open this a little bit more and pour it in there. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, push that down. Now, with every freaking smoothie, I love to put anything green. My favorite choice is spinach, of course, but we don't have kale in the house, so we're gonna use kale. I used to use kale. I don't use a lot of kale because it makes my tongue feel funny. That is done. This is the smoothie so far. So this is the granola. I don't know, I just found this in the house, honestly, and it says lightly sweet. It's called Red Mill, Bob's Red Mill classic granola. So I'm gonna put some granola in this piece. I just put a little bit because I don't want it to make my smoothie too crunchy. So yeah, that's what that is. Then I like to put a smidget of flaxseed. Too much of it can make your smoothie taste weird, at least to me. Boom. That's it. I like to use almond milk. Let's see. So we about to get to the blender. Let's get it. Okay. See how you want to see how this fills up to the top, literally. What's bothering me? My smoothie recipe, let's taste it. Amazing. I'm happy. Okay guys, we're done with this movie. Now let's get into the makeup look. We're gonna go to the Karity palette first, and we're gonna go into this beautiful, beautiful cranberry shade right here. This shade is gorgeous. I'm gonna go into this first. Okay, now we're gonna go into this shade right here called Cool Beans, this middle shade right here. As you guys know, I love oranges, I love rust colors. They show up so beautiful on me. We're gonna set the lid with some airspun powder. As you guys know, I love doing this. This makes my looks come out, I feel like it makes my looks come out so much better. So I'm gonna just set this concealer so we won't have any creasing, especially when we do our shimmer shade on the lid. We don't want no creasing. Now we're gonna go in with this green shade that I dug my life in right here. We're gonna go into this green shade right here. I believe this is called, let's see, Mystical. With Duh, right? This might be my favorite shade in the palette because the name, like, Duh, like, that's my favorite line. So yeah, so I'm basically going to tap. We are tapping this shade. We are not blending anything, we are tapping. Okay, I'm done, and now we're gonna just put on some black liner. I like to use the black liner because it hides my false lashes. You can't really see. These are the eyes. So now we're about to get into the foundation because I'm dying to try it. I'm going with this e.l.f.'s oil right here. Come on. This oil has been like fire for me. So basically I just put a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f.'s matte primer and just put that in places that I know I get oily, which is like kind of the whole face, but no, it's like the T-zone, the nose, the forehead, you know, the regular Douglas schmegler type of thing, type of vibes going on. For 80 Spice Toffee, I did see someone use this shade and they looked like they were my shade, so you got to see the moment of truth. Can you come out though, sis? No? Okay, it's coming out now. To me, it's more like a stiff consistency. It's not like watery or anything. This looks like it's gonna be my shade. Okay. I should have started at the bottom. I just went face first in it, right? Yeah, this look like this. Yeah, this is my shade. This looking a little fire. This is my exact shade. Oh my god, I've been doing so good with my shades online because I ordered this foundation. I knew I wasn't gonna find it in the store. Oh my god. Nah. This looks lit. Matter of fact, we're gonna take this damn earring out because it's stressing me out. I'm trying to look cute for the video, but we going through some things right now. Okay, so let's see if this covered this up. At least a little bit, like, because it was really dark. Oh, shoot. We're going to do a few more pumps. That was 2 pumps. We're doing 2 more pumps. Okay, we're going to take this earring out as well. Okay. We're going to do the other side. Like, this is my perfect shade. I'm so proud of myself. I've been picking good shades lately. Okay, so this shit looks amazing. Not just the foundation. I mean, the foundation, it doesn't feel like super cakey on my skin. Like it gives me the Rihanna when I did the Rihanna review of the hydrating foundation, it's super light. I don't even feel like it's on my face. Like I just feel like it's my face, if that makes sense. Like some foundations, like Maybelline Superstay, that's to me a heavy thick foundation, but I love it because it's like full coverage. I'm a full coverage girl, so this is like my perfect freaking shade. We're gonna bring this down to the neck. You have to do your neck, guys, not the whole neck, but like from at least to here. That's that. All right, so we're gonna do one more pump. I could do one more pump because they say it's buildable, and we building this bitch. This shit is flawless, like literally. Sorry to curse because my mama should be watching my videos, but I'm sorry, mom, but I'm having like a freaking makeup orgasm right now. Oh Lord, this foundation though, I just hope that it lasts. I would hate for it not to last. I mean, whatever. Basically, I'm gonna just do a foundation. I'm gonna just finish the rest of my face, blush, highlight, all that good stuff. I might incorporate this in my video. I don't know. I don't want it to be too long, but yeah. So we about to get started. Okay guys, I am back. Wig is popped on. This is my new wig I created for Valentine's Day. I was going for like a short bob. Yeah, no, I like long bob. So this is like a literally blunt cut. I cut this, made this myself. I'm super proud because it's actually even. Like I'm surprised like I even got it even. Like shit. Anyway, if y'all want me to do a video like on a wig, I don't do wigs on my channels. I just debut new wigs on my channel. So just let me know if y'all want me to do a wig on my channel. Like comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and let me know. Now let's get into this foundation. This foundation is fire. First of all, it is very it is luminous. However, like it's like the exact level of glow that I want. I don't want too much glow because I'm already an oily girl. However, I do like to look nice, fresh, healthy skin. You know, I don't want to look too dry. I haven't had it on a long time yet, maybe a couple of hours, but so far I do like it. I do so far recommend it. Y'all know, if y'all see me use this over and over and over in my tutorials, y'all know I really love it. Like this palette, like I like it, it's cute, but for me the matte shades are chalky and it doesn't work for my skin tone. However, the shimmer shades, I think they're gorgeous, so I will definitely incorporate the shimmer shades and whatever looks I want to do at the time. The matte shades, I do not like them. I'm not a fan of them. I don't regret buying the palette. I love Morphe. I have a bunch of Morphe palettes. It's just this one I was really interested in because I'm like, oh my god, I could do some, you know, pastel. I could do some pastel colors, do a little pop and Easter look, but that's not happening. I might try out these shades again, but for the first time it was just a flop for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to follow my social medias. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Everything will be in the description box. On my previous videos will be in the description box. Everything you probably want to know in this video will be in the description box, so check that out. We about to get into some slow-mos, some pictures, and we out of here. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.